In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the side step for the Dodge Ram 1500. The installation manual, the side step bracket, the side step, the gloves paired with mounting bolts. The following are the tools used for replacing the side step: large 12mm short socket, large 13mm short socket, medium 10mm long socket, 10mm wrench, medium electric impact wrench, large ratcheting wrench. Lift the vehicle. First, locate the pre-drilled holes along the rocker panel edge. There are 3 mounting points: front, center, and rear. First, take an M8 bolt and a spring washer and a flat washer. Assemble all remaining M8 bolts the same way. Next, grab the side step bracket, align it with the mounting holes. Once aligned, take an assembled M8 bolt, install it into the hole, and install it into the top hole. Next, take an M6 bolt and install a flat washer. Insert it from the outside in through the lower hole. Then add a flat washer, spring washer, and nut on the inside. After adjusting the bracket position, use the large 13mm short socket with the large ratcheting wrench. Tighten the 2 upper retaining bolts. For the lower retaining bolt, use the 10mm wrench with the medium 10mm long socket and medium electric impact wrench to tighten it. The side step bracket is now installed. Install the remaining brackets the same way. This is what all the side step brackets look like after installation. Next, install the side step. Remove the sliding track retaining bolts. Slide the track to align with the bracket holes. Once aligned, install the retaining bolts. Install the remaining track bolts the same way. After all, track bolts are installed. Use the large 12mm short socket with the large ratcheting wrench to tighten them. This is what the side step looks like. After all, track bolts are tightened. Install the side step on the opposite side as the same procedure. Lower the vehicle.